Hi, this is Luke Arthod with PCT. This video will cover crop growth charts within the Snapshot tool. Begin by selecting the desired dealer, grower, farms, and fields, as well as the season. Then click the Crop Growth Chart button. First, select a date range. The end date will be automatically set to the current date. This can be changed by clicking on the Calendar button. Then choose a time range of 8 months, 6 months, or 4 months. Select a crop and a source for the imagery. Only SataMap 10 will be available to most users. Then click Load Chart or Table. Planting and harvest dates will be displayed in the chart when layers for these operations are available for the field. You can choose to view both crop growth and nitrogen potential. The chart displayed can be based either on the mean or the variability. The table contains the same data, but in tabular form. You can download a report at the grower level. This will display tables and charts for all available fields within the grower. When no planting data is available for a field, the chart will be labeled as not in crop.